Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but let's go ahead and get right into it. Right here we have the Nike Air Fear of God Moccasin, which is loosely based off of a water shoe, which Jerry said right before release. So right here we have the box, which is normal with the Nike Fear of God collab, this Arctic orange or pink or whatever you want to call it. It's actually a slide drawer, so let's go ahead and pull the sneakers out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get rid of the box. And what I thought is, since the shoe is so plain and it's pretty much like a slip-on, let's just go ahead and get right into the way you would access this shoe. I'm not going to say lace up because it's just straps, as you see, and a button and a pull string. So I got the cardboard inserts out. If you notice, you'll notice that it's just a strap and a wide ankle, so it's going to be pretty easy to put on. So first, let's just talk about the strap. It's going to be an elastic, a very strong elastic and very strong Velcro. This holds the forefoot mostly, so once you strap it on, you'll feel the tightness right on your forefoot. Secondly, we have this snap button. It's magnetic, so like if you forget to unsnap it while you're putting the shoe on and you just shove your foot in, the snaps will come undone. It won't like hurt the shoe, which I think is a good feature because I forgot to unsnap it a couple times already. Secondly, we have this pull string thirdly, we have this pull string in the back, which is going to secure you once you're in there and you're ready to go and start walking. You pull the drawstring, you're set, you're ready to go. I really think the straps are a key feature. It really brings out the shoe. It really does. Now let's talk about the sole. This is the sole that he's been using on all the Fear of God Nikes collabs, except for the Skylons, of course. It's the 180. It's comfy, not too comfy, but it's solid. So rather than a normal on-foot shot, I figured I'd let you see me putting the shoe on, or putting the moccasin on. So I'll go ahead and unlace these Jordan 1s, and then I'll put the moccasin on. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. And also, if you're looking for fit pics and more stuff, just go ahead and stay tuned to my Instagram, which is the same, Mikey Artsy. Thank you, peace.